Piper, you going to camp? You gonna go to camp? We're gonna go hiking. You going to camp, okay? Dropping Piper off at a doggy daycare. Approaching not a tunnel. It's pretty narrow, isn't it? All right, we're walking up to Devil's Canyon Overlook in Red River Gorge, Kentucky. Man, that's quite an impressive overlook, isn't it? And it is cold up here, quite chilly. There's my dad, Big Mart. How's it going?
Pretty beautiful out there.
You cold?
Cold.
So Skybridge Loop Trail is a simple 1-mile loop trail. It's paved, which is pretty nice if my dad has knee problems, so helping him out. But leaves are starting to turn on here. It's late October. It's absolutely beautiful. It's not a bad little trail, is it? Oh yeah, that's absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Incredible overlook. My dad hates heights, and he's still making it over Skybridge right now. This is beautiful. The leaves are turning. Nice day, nobody's out here. So Big Marsh, he just keep trucking on. There you are. How'd you do?
Yeah, I did good.
You made it. You want to tackle some more heights?
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Okay.
Don't know about that.
So here we have a rhododendron tree, which I remember my mom having plants at home, but I've never seen an actual tree. I guess they grow all over the south. Another something I find kind of interesting is a holly tree, which, you know, you always associate that with Christmas. Well, here it is out in nature, and it's pretty cool to see. It's not too crowded today either, which is really nice. I think about coming down here in late October, isn't it?
Yeah, nice, very nice.
Yeah. Beautiful overlooks. Yeah, this is beautiful. Wow. So now we're going to hit under the bridge. Behind me you can see sandstone. It's absolutely beautiful down here. Very real cool hike. All right, so we finally made it to underneath Skybridge, and pretty cool sight. There's Dad in the red. He's held up pretty well. That's impressive. We're almost at the end of the trail, aren't we? Man, it is incredible here. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, it gets getting a little soggy. Hitting some stairs, gonna take us to the parking lot. Nothing like a little cardio. Alright, we finally made it to the Auxier Ridge Loop Trail. Not much rain, just drizzling a little. But the trail's pretty muddy. But gonna be some nice scenic views. Beautiful fall foliage. Let's check it out. And running into my dad. What's going on?
Just taking in the beautiful view of all the trees.
My gosh.
On the rock formations.
Oh, it's insane.
Look at that.
Oh, man.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Good day in paradise.
Yeah, some overcast, but you're still getting all the beautiful colors. And you're roughing it, you're sloshing it in the mud. Look at that orange.
I know.
Man, the colors here are just insane.
I know. Look at the fog up there.
Yeah.
That dude going across there.
There's Big Mart, still trucking along. A lot of squishy mud on the trail, but that's about it. I mean, nothing major. Yeah, absolutely. Yep. So it's 45 degrees on the trail right now, and it's really not raining, but there is a slight mist. The forecast was calling for 60 to 70% showers. Haven't seen any yet, but there is a lot of mud on the trail, which I could deal with that. But at least there's no mosquitoes out here. They're doing it right. They got a nice campfire. Look at that nice fire. Yep. Yeah, they're like natural steps, aren't they? Huh. It looks like a table, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. You got a good place to sit there and have your lunch.
Yeah, it would be.
Alright, we're going to try these for lunch. Never had them. Ready-to-eat sandwiches from Bridgeford. Let's check them out. Okay, so that's what the Italian beef or sausage sandwich is. It's not bad. What'd you think of it? Did you like it?
Not bad. Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, better than nothing.
Better than nothing.
Yes.
Yes. It's water and Mexican beef.
Yeah, this is the
international today.
yes. This is the next thing we're gonna try. Ready-to-eat wraps, Mexican style beef filling. So,
Yeah.
first one's pretty good. Let's try this one. Okay.
Just a little bit different flavor.
Okay, what do you say? Better than Taco Bell?
Still better than Taco Bell.
It is. It is. Yeah. How scenic is that? Gosh. This giant boulder. The trail continues up there to the left on us. So a lot of the trails are obviously on the rocks, which if you have knee issues, it could be a problem. Look how absolutely beautiful this place is. Isn't that incredible? And no mosquitoes. I think the sandstone is nice and cushions the trail. Not real hard to walk in or anything. And it hasn't been too muddy in places. Actually a really nice trail. So all you do is keep getting amazing views and just keep stopping for photographs, which we have a lot more hiking to go. But this is definitely a place you want to check out in the fall. Oh man, that's impressive, isn't it? Gosh, I don't know. Oh, the trail's to the right.
Holy crap.
Exactly.
See, and they've got the stairs not 3 feet tall.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got them so
Yeah.
that you can...
Yep. Good job. Look at that. A little foggy today, but it's a nice day out. It's comfortable. Good temperatures. Just a little drop off, but look at all those trees of different colors. Yeah, it is. I don't know, they're weird. They don't like this. Weird people. Almost done with the trail, about ready to get some coffee, aren't we? Get a little caffeinated. Yep, big cup of joe. All done, we are getting coffee. At the Daniel Boone Coffee Shop.